Redo You, the podcast that teaches you tools and strategies so you can build the confidence to rediscover and reinvent yourself. With me, Emma Hull, your favorite life coach. Each week, I'll introduce a concept that you can implement right away so you can live your most authentic life. Let's get started. Hello, beautiful. Welcome back to the special audio version of Your Goddess Era, a step-by-step guide to reinvention. Chapter 3, Make Your Habits Stick. How many times have you started a habit with enthusiasm and great intentions, only to quit after a few days, or when life happens? You're in good company, my love. We all have habits we would like to start or stop, and it can be hard to undo our programming and make new habits stick. A winning streak is a simple tool that helps motivate you to complete tasks daily until they become second nature. Goddesses follow through on their commitments to themselves because they know they are worthy and deserving. The winning streak leverages the Duolingo effect to gamify your habits by tracking your progress somewhere highly visible, such as a chart on your fridge. And for even more fun, you get to use your celebrations menu to award yourself a prize for each level you complete, helping you to stay motivated. Even something as simple as giving yourself a gold star on a chart will give you a dopamine hit, and dopamine makes you feel good. Because humans are naturally competitive, even with ourselves, you intrinsically won't want to break your winning streak. It really is that simple. You're going to identify 3 habits that you wish to practice every day and keep track of them on the winning streak chart at the end of this chapter. Pick a habit you already do each day, such as brushing your teeth. By including this on your winning streak chart, you're stacking the odds in your favor because you've guaranteed yourself success with that habit. Now add 2 more habits that you would like to incorporate into your daily routine and write them at the top of your chart. It is important to use daily practices as you start because it's about getting into a habit. So if you plan to work out 5 days a week and take the weekends off, that won't have the same effect. You should absolutely work on that goal, but don't use it for this exercise unless you can make it a daily practice. Maybe you go to the gym Monday to Friday and do a YouTube stretch and recovery workout at home on the weekends. Then you could put workout daily on your chart. Next, identify the prize you'll get for completing each of your habits every day and make a note of it on the space at the bottom of the worksheet. Make your reward fun, proportionate, and realistic. Something like going to the movies or binging 3 episodes of 9 Perfect Strangers. A tip, make your goal trip-overable easy. Make this a positive experience so you enjoy it and you want to do it. Once you get the hang of it, then you can add tougher challenges. Put your winning streak chart somewhere you will see it often, such as on your bathroom mirror or your fridge door, and check off your habits each day as you complete them. Once you have assimilated a desired habit into your routine, you can work on something else. Think of each month as a new level in the game and make each level a little harder, yet still achievable. You might start with 10 push-ups every day and progress gradually to 100. Always keep one thing on your list that is 100% easily doable and keep your list to 5 or fewer daily practices. It might seem silly, but it really does work wonders. One of my clients had a condition that required daily physiotherapy. If she didn't do her exercises, she suffered extreme pain. Yet that wasn't motivation enough for her to make the time in her hectic schedule for 15 minutes of physio each day. When she implemented the winning streak system, she remembered to do her physio 18 times the first month and every day from then on. Because of the winning streak, she learned to look ahead at her day and intentionally make time in her schedule for physio instead of leaving it to the end of the day when she was often too tired to care. In addition to the reward of being pain-free, she also got to indulge in her prize of a 30-minute float session every month. Pick 3 habits you would like to practice daily and use the winning streak to track your progress for the next month. Remember to make one of those habits something you already do, as it will help keep you motivated to do the other 2. Following through on your commitments to yourself is a beautiful way to honor your inner goddess and nurture her to step out into the light. And for the journal prompts, you can grab those from your copy of Your Goddess Era, which is available on Amazon. Simply search for it. And I will see you next week for Chapter 4.
Thank you for tuning in to this episode of the Redo You podcast. Remember to subscribe, rate, and review, and tell a friend, because together we rise even higher. See you next Friday.